Usman had two friends growing up. Same school, same neighborhood, same starting point in life. 10 years later, one was struggling to pay rent. The other had just bought his second property. Same city, same opportunities, completely different results. Usman spent years trying to figure out what was different. And when he finally understood, it was not talent. It was not luck. It was not even income. It was three specific things one of them kept buying, that the other one quietly stopped buying years ago. Thing number one, a new phone every single year. Usman's struggling friend had every latest iPhone, every newest Samsung, every 12 months a new device costing $800 to $1,200, financed in monthly installments that quietly drained his account for the next 2 years. His wealthy friend, still using a 3-year-old phone, cracked screen, slow camera, zero apologies, because he knew something most people never figure out. A phone is not an asset. It loses 40% of its value the moment you open the box. That same $1,000 invested instead compounds quietly into something real, into something that grows while you sleep. Thing number two, a brand new car. When Usman's struggling friend got his first big salary, the first thing he did was finance a brand new car. Monthly payments, full insurance, registration fees, maintenance costs. He was paying for that car for 5 years. By the time it was paid off, it had lost more than half its value. His wealthy friend bought a used car, reliable, practical, paid in full, no monthly payment, no ego attached. He took the money he saved and put it into a small digital business. That business now earns him more than his salary every single month. A car takes money out of your pocket every month. An asset puts money in. Thing number three, and this one hurt Usman the most when he realized it, expensive experiences to impress people they did not even like. Dinners they could not afford. Vacations posted for Instagram. Designer clothes bought on credit just to look a certain way at events. Usman's struggling friend spent his bonus every year on things that disappeared in 48 hours. Photos that got 200 likes and then were forgotten forever. His wealthy friend spent his bonus on a course, on books, on one small investment, on things that returned value instead of just returning likes. The night Usman finally understood this, he sat quietly for a long time. He realized he had been the struggling friend all along. Not because he was lazy, not because he was unlucky, but because nobody had ever told him the simple truth that changed everything. Poor people buy things to look rich. Rich people buy assets to become rich. One decision at a time. One purchase at a time. Usman made his decision that night. He kept his old phone, sold his finance car and bought a used one, canceled 3 subscriptions he forgot he even had, and took that money, small as it was, and started building something real. 12 months later, his life looked nothing like it did before. Not because he earned more, because he decided differently. The question is, what are you going to decide today? Follow for more money truths every week. And comment below, which one of these 3 were you guilty of?